Hello again, everyone. We're going to take a look at a few charts here, and we're going to give our analysis and go over our thought process, and hopefully we can help you guide through the market. If you like these videos and you like the analysis and you'd like to see some more from us, go ahead and visit us at www.stockmarketvideo.com and sign up for your risk-free trial today. All right, so let's get into these charts. First one we're going to take a look at is PPHM. In PPHM, we've got a decent levels to play with here. First thing that I'm noticing is this uptrend line right here. Here's a touch, here's several touches, and then here's another touch recently just before it gapped up and popped pretty nicely. So here's what I'm also seeing is this nice support here, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it a little better. Here's that support, heavy support near the mid 30 cents range. So anywhere below, 38 cents to 35 cents, that's where that nice support is going to be. A bounce off of the trend line, a bounce off of this support right here. That's going to be a nice buy zone. If it breaks below that 36, 35 cent range, that would not be good for the stock, and it wouldn't be something that I would personally be interested in getting long in if that happened. On the upside, bounce here, resistance is up here at about 50 cents. You can see that we got rejected here as well as right here. Yes, we broke over it intraday, but see how we closed below it right here, and here are a bunch of touches at that level. Same thing over here, tried to break over, couldn't break over it. So just over 50 cents is going to be that resistance that you want to be looking out for on PPHM. Next we're going to take a look at is Skechers SKX. And SKX, I'm going to zoom out here so you can see the bigger picture. You can see that we broke this uptrend. Here's a touch, couple touches, almost a couple touches right there, almost a touch here, almost a touch there, there's a touch, there's a touch. And notice how when we gap down just below that trend line. So not a coincidence that that happened. So we have resistance now at about 25.20. So here you can see that we tried to break over it, couldn't break over it. A lot of touches right there. And as you notice, it's these lows, as well as these lows right here about $25. Okay, so that's a significant level, right? Today we broke down with some pretty big volume as well. So a lot of volume coming out of this stock, definitely something to be aware of. All right. Next, I want to cover some support. We've got some support down here at about $20. You can see that here's a high, and you can see some sideways trading right there. So not necessarily an area that I would be pressing it short at about $20. But overall, this is not a great looking chart, but we may get a bounce at 20, but definitely resistance is the biggest level that I see here at 25.20. Based off of these highs getting rejected, these lows, and these lows right there. So big level here, 25.20. You definitely want to be aware of it on SKX. Next, let's take a look at VHC. VHC, nice breakout here on heavier volume. You can see here's the volume, 2.6 million shares. That's more than double the average volume. A nice break over this resistance. This is very clean. So now we have support at about 290, and then we have resistance at about 380, 390. Okay, so that's resistance. This is big time resistance. You can see how many times it got hit on the support end, and now we are breaking up to that end, and that's going to be big time resistance. You definitely want to be aware of it if you are trading or investing in VHC. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, appreciate it. If you like the videos and you like the analysis, go ahead and give us a visit at www.stockmarketvideo.com and sign up with your risk-free trial today. We'll see you over there.